happy to announce Khushi universal provisioning of free sanitary napkins to all 70 lakh girls in government and government-aided schools from class 6 to class 12. In addition to this, we will also expand social marketing of sanitary napkins for women and girls in the community at subsidized rates.